Hi everyone, I'm going to go over our Monday lesson of this week, week of 12/7. If you need help, please contact us via email or Google Hangout chat. Our information is listed up here. For step 1, you will be completing an Edpuzzle video. Step 2, you will respond to our class Padlet. And step 3, you will be completing a survey for a summative project. Our weekly objective is listed here on the left side. Key points from last class are the following. Birds of Paradise underwent sexual selection for male-male competition and female choice. Over time, more colorful traits were favored and selected for. For the step 1, please click on the image and open up the link to complete your Edpuzzle video. If you would like to watch the video with subtitles, click CC on Edpuzzle and you will see the subtitles. For the step 2, please open up our class Padlet by clicking here on the link and opening up the Padlet. You are going to respond to these 4 questions. These questions are based on the video and also review for our summative project this week. For the step 3, please complete this survey by clicking here and opening up the survey link. It is very important that you complete this survey because we need to know who you would like or how you would like to work for the summative project. If you do not complete this survey, we will assign you a specific partner. If you would like to select your partner or let us know that you would like to work independently, please fill out the survey. And lastly, please check your work and submit this assignment. Highlight how long this lesson took you and don't forget to click Turn In on Google Classroom. Thank you.